Guys, happy no, it's not Monday. It feels like a Monday. Happy Thursday. It's June 1st, which means it's a new month, which is why it feels like a Monday, but it's not. And welcome to a new vlog. I did get my nails done yesterday, and I finally found a place that I really like. I definitely think I will be going back. I also got my toes done as well. I love the beginning of a new month, of a new week. I did my morning routine and everything, all my feel-good habits that I showed in my last vlog, and so I'm feeling really good. But before I get into my workday, I want to sit down and write out my intentions for the month of June and write a little manifestation letter for the month of June of what I would like to experience this month, what I would like to happen. And it's so crazy because I did this exact method that I'm going to be doing today for the month of May, and as I was reflecting on the month of May yesterday and I was reading my manifestation letter that I wrote, I'm not even kidding or exaggerating when I say every single thing that I wrote in my letter of what I wanted to manifest in the month of May happened to the T, from the little things to the really big things. So I was just in shock to see that I really manifested every single experience, every single thing, opportunity that I said I wanted to manifest in the month of May. So I felt very grateful for that, and right now I'm in a season where I'm definitely in tune with my faith, in tune with my spiritual practice, my intuition, and I'm really riding this wave and taking advantage of it. So I'm about to sit down, write my intentions, write my manifestation letter, and then kind of get into my day. So these are some of the PR stuff that I got in the mail this week, and I thought I'd do a little PR haul before I get into making dinner. The first thing that I got is the new Total Package Replenishing Body Lotion by Verse. This one has mineral SPF 30, which is perfect for the summertime, and according to their little info sheet, it helps to give long-lasting hydration, deep restorative moisture, and it all obviously has SPF 30. SPF is always good, but especially now. And then I also received 3 new hair supplements by Nutrafol. The other 2 are in my pantry. I've been working with and using Nutrafol for the last, I would say, 2-3 months. And it's a hair growth supplement, and my hair has grown so much, you guys. It used to be like to my shoulders, and it's like halfway down my back now. It's grown, it's gotten a little thicker. Naturally, I do have thinner hair, but I really have seen a difference. So I really recommend this if you're someone who is experiencing hair thinning, hair loss of any sort, or anything like that, whether you are my age or younger or experiencing menopause. This is a really great product. And then Cocoa Kind, which you've probably seen them at Target. They were kind enough to send me a few new products. I love this brand, and the first thing they sent me is their new daily SPF. They also gave me a ceramide barrier serum, and so this is a hydrating serum, so this will be great to add into my evening routine. And then they also sent over an oil to milk cleanser. It says it has a unique blend of oils that work together to cleanse the skin, support the skin's microbiome, and promote pH balance. Thank you to Cocoa Kind for sending me these products. I'm excited to try these out, as well as the Verse body lotion, and of course continue using my Nutrafol again. I'll link any codes that I have in the description. I can't remember off the top of my head. Just thought I'd show my little packages for the week. As always, I'm very grateful for everything that I receive. morning guys, happy Saturday. So I just made my green smoothie. I've shared this recipe before on my channel. It's in a vlog somewhere, but this basically has spinach, 1 banana, a handful of frozen fruit, vanilla protein powder, and then oat milk. And I made one right now because I'm actually going to a Pilates class today, which I don't typically go to Pilates on Saturdays, but I really have been itching to get back into like a weekend workout. When I lived back home, I would always work out on the weekends at the studio that I used to go to all the time, that I actually worked at one point in time, and I just miss having like a good Saturday morning workout, getting a productive start to the day. So that's what we are doing today, which I'm very excited for. I feel like because of the job that I do, it's so easy to lose balance, and so I really want to have my weekends to myself, whether it's just going out to dinner, going to a workout class, or like spending time at a coffee shop to do some personal growth work. It should be a fun day. Good morning guys. So I thought I'd do a little OOTD before I head out. I'm about to go to a coffee shop to do some work. I'll take you guys with me. It's such a cute coffee shop that I recently discovered. It's not that new, but it's new to me, so I think it's definitely going to be a new favorite. But anyways, OOTD, very casual, comfortable, neutral, simple, like it always is. My green linen button-up is from H&M. Black linen pants are from Target. They're the brand A New Day. And then I just have on tank top. It looks like a bodysuit, but it isn't. And I can't remember the brand. Both my hat and my tote bag are by Wild House Paper. I do have a code for them. I'll link it down below. And then I'm still wearing my house slippers because I do not wear my shoes in the house. And then my bracelet is just from a local business out here. I wish I could remember the name, but I picked it up from a market that I went to one weekend. And this is just my regular Annalisa necklace that I wear all the time. I'll link this below. And then for perfume, I've been wearing this scent by Brazilian Crush. I got it at Sephora and this smells so good. It's like a perfect summertime scent. Last week I have been working on 2 exciting projects. They both have like really tight deadlines, and so I'm trying to get that done ASAP. Everything else has kind of taken a back seat somewhat. I'm still creating content here and there, but I really haven't been vlogging as much this week. Like I haven't been picking up my camera, and I'm just trying to like work with what I have this week, but a lot has been happening since last week. It's been an exciting week, to say the least. I have just been focusing on doing my personal best and seizing the opportunity and taking advantage of these things that have come into my life. So anyways, I'm about to start cooking dinner. It's a little bit early. I don't usually cook dinner. It's about like 4 p.m. but I have a sound healing class that I'm going to tonight at 7:30, and I want to film like a little reel / TikTok of my evening routine. I'm making asparagus and salmon over rice probably, so it should be like a very simple, easy recipe. So that's the plan for the evening. But yeah, you guys, life has been insane in all of the best ways possible, and I'm just so grateful and excited for the opportunities. And that is my AC turning on, so this is my sign to stop talking and start dinner.
So I know you got it. take your time. Slow down, I just wanna get to know ya. Come break me down. It's the nine little things I can show ya. It's right now, feeling like it's waiting for ya. Slow down.
You could keep the pace like that. We could keep the shit laid back. You can get all this good karma. I don't even need to meet your mama. Can you wrap your head around that? But you never had a nigga like that. We can take this where you wanna. We ain't gotta think too much, cause it feels so right. Got us feeling so right. Know it's been on both of our minds. We can have it all the time. Let's start with tonight.